Welcome to this exclusive video series for HVAC mechanical service contractors of the popular MobileLogic FieldOps, field service scheduling and dispatch software. FieldOps will help you to streamline both your office and field operations by eliminating duplication, reducing paperwork, increasing efficiency and overall productivity, while also increasing your daily cash flow and profitability. During this brief video presentation, we're going to show you with an example of how the MobileLogic FieldOps can handle the field technician calling into the office for a purchase order. It's a normal occurrence for field technicians to go to a supply house to pick up parts. During this example, we're going to show you one way of actually recording and issuing a purchase order for the technician from the office. You'll see here on the MobileLogic FieldOps D board, our dispatch board, which has got all of our service tickets on it. Randy is currently out at a supply house and is ready to pick up parts. What we're going to do now is order parts for that specific job. By clicking on the ticket here, we're going to go to Enter Purchase Orders. You'll note that we can indicate who the vendor is or the supplier, who it's requested by, which would be myself in the office, and the various ship method and or payment terms will be defaulted, and this can be changed on the fly. We can override any of these since he's picking up parts directly from the supplier. So let's go to Next. And now we can actually indicate the parts that he's picking up and using. We can pick our parts right from our parts file and indicate that it's for this specific work order. So I'm going to pick up a couple of different items here that he needs. I can also, while I'm here, actually go ahead and order parts for my next job if I know what parts that I may be working on. So on the same purchase order, I'm going to go ahead and order some miscellaneous items that I may not have in my inventory items. And those items can quickly be indicated here by just typing the description. And I can also indicate what job these particular parts are going to be for. For example, it's a future job that's coming up later on in the day that I'll need parts for. If I happen to need parts for my truck, I can also go ahead and indicate that these parts are necessary for my specific truck. So on one purchase order, you'll notice that I've not only picked up parts for one specific work order, but two specific work orders, along with parts that I need for my specific truck. This information is being communicated directly to the purchase ordering person in the office. At this point, if I want to, I can actually indicate that I'm receiving these items right now, so that particular box can be checked off. And then I can go ahead and finish this particular ticket by giving the purchase order number directly to the service tech at the supplier's facility. If I wish to at this point, I can then go ahead and receive these items, and I've completed this particular work order. Now, as proof, I can drill directly into the work order, and it indicates that those two line items for that particular purchase order were applied specifically to that work order. The other two items, one for the truck and one for the other purchase order, are applied, of course, to that particular purchase order. Thank you for taking time to watch this exclusive video presentation of the leading MobileLogic FieldOps, field service scheduling and dispatch software. To schedule your own personal demonstration, visit our website at mobilelogicfieldOps.com or contact us at 888-272-7474.